Good morning to all of you. We continue with the scanners, and from today onwards, we will be writing a menu-driven programs. Uh, Now, menu-driven programs has to be written in. What is a menu-driven program? In this menu-driven program, you have to show a menu, and you have to take input for the user choice, and then you have to perform the calculations. For example, suppose we have to find the length, we have to find the area of a rectangle, area of a square, and area of a triangle. Then it depends upon the user which he wants. Our program, we will be writing our program for all the three of them, but the execution will be depending upon the user. If he wants, no, I want to find the area of a triangle, then yes, area of a triangle, my program will show the answer of a area of a triangle. This is what a choice is. As you go into the hotels, a menu is shown to you. These are the available things, and you select from that menu, and that what you have selected, the selection you have made, that selection is served to you. That this is what the concept of a menu driven program is also there. So we will display a menu that in this program these three things are there, four things are there, or two things are there, and you have to make a selection what you want with it, and whatsoever the selection is made by the user, and we will be displaying the output on that thing only. We are not going to display anything other from that. That is what a menu driven programming is. So we go with the menu driven programs. First program we will be writing about inputting the length and breadth to calculate the area, perimeter, and diagonal of a rectangle. Choices are either you calculate area, either you calculate the perimeter, either you calculate a diagonal of a rectangle. These are the three choices. So input to length and breadth, in three cases it's required. So input has to be taken at one place, and choice we have to ask, and we have to do it. This is what with the rectangle. In the next question, we will be printing the area of three different figures. So in these three different figures, then the three different figures are different dimensions. So those dimensions will be asked in the different cases, and then we will proceed. So let's proceed with the program, then only you can understand. Theoretically what I am saying right now, it's might be bouncing to you. Yes, of course it might be bouncing to you, because you are unable to create a imagination what I am saying in maximum of you, and those who have created it, it's fine, good that they are understanding what I mean to say. But hope so everyone will understand when we move on with the programs what I mean here. But remember, the first question what we are going to do is we are going to find the area, perimeter, and diagonal of a rectangle. The object is one, only rectangle, so it has only two dimensions, length and breadth, which will be common in all these three cases. जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए पनीर के आइटम, तो पनीर कढ़ाई हो, शाही पनीर हो, मटर पनीर हो, इंग्रेडिएंट तो पनीर है ना मेन, तो वो तो रहेगा ही रहेगा उसके बाद जो भी. But suppose the second question which we are going to do with it, we are going to find the area of three different figures. Suppose भिंडी की सब्जी चाहिए, और मुझे बैगन का भरता चाहिए, या फिर मुझे पनीर की सब्जी चाहिए. तो तीनों इंग्रेडिएंट अलग हैं, तीनों डिशेस अलग होंगे, तो जो चॉइस होगा उसी के हिसाब से डिश इंग्रेडिएंट मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो लाइक दिस इन द थ्री डिफरेंट फिगर्स, थ्री डिफरेंट फिगर्स आर देयर, देन देयर विल बी थ्री डिफरेंट इनपुट्स. ऑलराइट, so let's proceed and see what it's happening there. Thank you. Let's proceed to the program. To calculate area, perimeter, and or diagonal of a rectangle. So import java.util.strict class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. What do you require? We require a double length, breadth, area, perimeter, diagonal. Alright, and we require a choice. Let the choice be int.ch. So area equals to 0.0, perimeter equals to 0.0, diagonal equals to 0.0. Alright, so plain. Press, this is where I am creating a menu. Press 1 for area, so plain. Press 2 for perimeter of rectangle. Press 3 for diagonal of rectangle. यहाँ लिख सकते थे press 1 for 3. Somebody had asked in a scanner that can we input all the three at one place? Yes, you can input all the three at one place. But why we are writing a program, beta? We are writing a program in the previous, this I am talking about the previous videos. क्यों अलग अलग प्रिंसिपल क्यों अलग लिया, रेट क्यों अलग लिया, क्यों टाइम अलग लिया, इकट्ठे क्यों नहीं ले लिया प्रिंसिपल, रेट एंड टाइम लिख के और तीनों को एक साथ क्यों नहीं कर लिया ना, क्यों प्रोग्राम लिखा जाता है सबसे पहले. दिस इज एथिक्स ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग which was taught to me by my teachers. It's an ethics, beta. You are creating a wizard which helps to guide. You are writing a program so that it becomes smooth and easy for the person who is operating it. So gradually, one by one, this is you are creating for a layman. Everyone don't understand the computers, even though your parents might not be knowing about, might not be having a knowledge of this computer programming. So why you are creating it? So that it can help your program to move gradually, slowly, one by one, step by step, सिखाते हुए कि हाँ ये एंटर करो. तो कौन सा सहूलियत है? एक बार में तुमको मैं भी ऐसे लिख दूँ, एक मेन्यू टर बना और कह दूँ कि सारा प्रोग्राम कर लो. Would you be able to do it? So we are there to make the program easy and in a best operative way. So you have to be, it takes time, step by step, but this is an ethics of rule of programming, and you have to follow these rules. Is it? It's up to you whether you follow it or not. But this is what I was taught and what I am passing it out to you people. I am passing the same thing to you people. It depends on you. Now, so plan. Coming back to the program, enter your choice. ch equals to sc dot next empty method. तो आपने चॉइस भी मांग लिया, इसमें से तीन में से वो क्या सिलेक्शन करेगा. लेंथ ब्रेथ क्योंकि तीनों जगह कॉमन है इसलिए मैं बाहर ही ले लेता हूँ. सो प्लन एंटर द लेंथ, L equals to sc dot next double method. So plan enter the breadth, B equals to sc dot next double method. Now pass on to the switch, and you pass on the choice CH. Case 1, area equals to length into breadth. Area is plus A. Break. Case 2, perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter is break. Then you move on for the case 3. Diagonal equals to math dot sqrt L into L plus B into B. So diagonal is break default wrong choice. Switch close, main close, class close. This is the menu. You have taken the choice and taken the length, taken the breadth, pass the choice to the switch. Then case 1, you are finding the area. Case 2, you are finding the perimeter. And in the case 3, you are finding out the diagonal and default wrong choice. Web to create a menu driven program to calculate area of rectangle, square and area of rectangle, square and circle as per the user's choice. Choice is user's choice. You are calculating it as per the user choice. But now in this question, the thing I was discussing, 3 different vegetables. Alright, curry you have to prepare. So 3 different ways of input. Now these are the 3 different figures. Let's move on with the program. Then you will understand. Import java.util.str class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So what you require here now? We require double rectangle area we have to find, so length and breadth is required. Square area we have to find, so side is required. Area of radius circle we have to find, so radius is required. And we have to calculate the area, so it's A. Now we need a choice. Area equals to 0.0. So first prepare the menu. We need to create a menu. So press 1 for area of rectangle. So press 2 for area of square. So plan. Press 3 for area of circle. This is a menu ready. We need to ask a choice. So plan. Enter your choice. CH equals to SC dot next anti method. Pass this choice to switch CH. The libreces are now case 1. So enter the length L equals to SC dot next double method. So enter the breadth B equals to SC dot next double method. Now we need to find the area. So area equals to length into depth. So area is plus A. Brick, you come out of the first choice. Then case 2. Here you need to find the area of a square. So we need enter the side. S equals to SC dot next double method. You got the choice of the side, then you are finding area. Side into side. Print it. Area of square is plus A. Now you go for a break. Then case 3. Enter the radius R equals to SC dot next double method. So area equals to pi r square. Pi r square. So can you write a pi? So instead of pi we are going to use a value 3.1. Is it r square? R into now print it. Area of circle is A, and then break, add got a break, then default. So wrong choice, your choice is wrong, and then close the switch, close the main, close the class. This is what all about your menu driven program. So let's proceed from the previous one. In this question, look here, तीनों में एक चीज कंपलसरी था, लेंथ ब्रेथ, इसलिए स्विच के ऊपर ले लिया मैंने लेंथ ब्रेथ को यहाँ पे, और लेंथ ब्रेथ को कहीं इनपुट नहीं लिया, यूज कर लिया एरिया निकालने में, पेरीमीटर निकालने में, डायगोनल निकालने में. बट कम टू दिस क्वेश्चन, देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट वन, है ना, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, सर्कल. इसलिए यहाँ पे चॉइस लेके स्विच में चला गया. अगर वो उसका चॉइस 1 है तब मुझे लेंथ और ब्रेथ चाहिए, तो मैंने यहाँ पे इनपुट ले लिया, लेंथ ले लो, ब्रेथ ले लो, ठीक है, और उसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करके प्रिंट कर दिया. लेकिन अगर वो चॉइस दिखाया और उसने चॉइस 2 किया तब मुझे तो लेंथ ब्रेथ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, इसीलिए मैं केस 2 में आया और इनपुट लिया केवल साइड को लेकर कैलकुलेट कर लिया, एरिया प्रिंट हो गया। सिमिलरली इट इज इन द केस ऑफ द थर्ड चॉइस, वी गॉट द radius and we have printed it. This is all about a menu driven program. This is how the menu driven program has to be written by you people. This is how menu driven programs has to be written by you people. Tomorrow we write a menu driven program to calculate the volume. We will calculate volume. किसका क्यूब का, क्यूबॉइड का और स्फीयर का, मेन्यू ड्रिवन। और फिर एरिया निकालेंगे किसका, ट्रायंगल का, हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला से। तो क्या निकालेंगे, इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी अपॉन 2 और अंडर रूट एस माइनस ए एस माइनस बी एस माइनस सी। ठीक है। एक दूसरा हम लोग निकालेंगे पैरेललोग्राम का, तो हाफ d1 इंटू d2। और तीसरा जो निकालेंगे ट्रेपीजियम का एरिया निकाल लेंगे, हाफ P1 प्लस P2 पैरेलल साइड इंटू H। ये 2 मेन्यू ड्रिवन कल निकालेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू।